Hi, this is characterizing the structure of the Twitter network through socially aware clustering of users. Online social networks such as Facebook and Twitter have been increasing in popularity in the past 10 years. These online social networks contain many societal, economical, and cultural impacts within today's society, and determining the characteristics of these online social networks is then of great interest, as we'd like to derive the connectivity structure from how users interconnect to form a network. However, characterizing a network is inherently difficult just due to the size alone, as Twitter has hundreds of millions of users, which make it extremely difficult to capture a complete snapshot of the online social network alone. Therefore, the research question at hand is how can we characterize connectivity of a large online social network in a socially aware manner? Some background to this topic is that Twitter is an online social network that exhibits structural connectivity between its user vertices. The goal is to capture this connectivity structure. Within the network, we label elite users to be users who exhibit highly active or exhibit more influence than regular non-elite users. These elite users compose a core subgraph of the online social network structure and are valuable as they have direct connectivity to large numbers of regular users, as they tend to have larger audiences and larger following counts. Identifying relationship patterns amongst elite users provides valuable insight to the overall structure of the online social network, as elite users compose elite communities, which are communities exhibiting a social cohesion around a specific common theme and serve as landmarks within the interconnectivity structure. Furthermore, the method of capturing the online social network is to capture the elite network, which is composed of Twitter's elite users to reveal relationship and influence patterns of elite users within the online social network. Majority of users of an online social network have low activity or connectivity and thus do not contribute significantly to the structure of an online social network. With Twitter being a large online social network with millions who exhibit low connectivity, we must find a way to capture users of importance and of influence that affect the structure of connectivity itself, which are elite users. We then leverage these elite users to characterize the online social network as they exhibit higher levels of connectivity and impact. Therefore, the connectivity between elite users is what generally constitutes the elite network. We captured the elite network by crawling the top 10,000 elite users of the online social network from the website socialbakers.com, which is an online social network statistics site containing large following counts and statistics involving various social networks in specific categories specified. However, to independently identify accounts which also fit the criteria of an elite user, randomized walks are employed, where a walk is performed by traversing friends lists of users to identify visible and heavily influential users to ensure that the master list of aggregated elite users is in order and is accurate. Furthermore, within the network, elite communities formulate meaningful components of the online social networks as they serve as landmarks. These themes of community broadly divide into country, language, cultural interest, and business sector, and these can be seen in various forms as depicted in the figure to the right, where it's multiple themes in these specific sectors. Additionally, by using elite communities, shadow partitions are formed by grouping users based upon interest with an elite community, which are viewed as extensions of an elite community. These depict direct relationships between regular users and elite users and serves as an indication that the elite users provide direct connections to large amounts of regular users, as depicted with the red vertices indicating elite communities and the black vertices indicating a regular user, with blue edges indicating the direct relationship between the two. Therefore, utilizing these methods, it is possible to capture and characterize the Twitter online social network through leveraging the existence of elite users and their impact, and utilizing elite communities as subsequent landmarks within the interconnectivity structure of the online social network. Ultimately, an expected result is a new technique for capturing the Twitter interconnectivity structure using an elite network and leveraging elite communities. By using elite users and their communities, the project can characterize the Twitter online social network structure and determine characteristics of the online social network itself using a socially aware manner. Additionally, by leveraging elite communities, the research also expects to expand upon partitions of regular users by clustering regular users based upon relative connectivity to elite communities. However, ultimately, an accurate characterization of the online social network is the result intended to be found, as well as a socially aware method to navigate the interconnectivity of the online social network. I'd like to acknowledge Professor Reza Jahe, Christopher Misa, and Sohail Jamshidi for their extensive guidance and assistance during this study and throughout all the process of this research so far. Thank you.